Think you can bike through the water?
What?
Think you can bike through the water? Evan's going for it.
Yeah, okay. I don't want to go too fast.
Hey, buddy. What do you think about biking on the beach? Over seashells.
This is pretty.
Oh, that is a pretty one. Let me see. Show it to the video camera. Ooh.